The well-being of our spinal column has always been given great importance, as it can cause numerous extremely painful pathologies. For this reason, several studies have been carried out, demonstrating how a bad posture can be the main cause of osteoarticular system problems. 3D Body Spine was born from a medical need of facing posture problems in general, and in particular secondary scoliosis paramorphism, without radiography, and to give the patient the possibility of having more frequent checkups. The system permits an accurate evaluation of the condition of the backbone by the acquisition and processing of digital images. The operator only has to position the markers in the prearranged points, a simple and rapid operation. The mapping of point positioning is as follows. 7th cervical, right axillary cavity, left axillary cavity, right arm ollkranen, arm bent, left arm ollkranen, arm bent, right shoulder blade, lower edge, left shoulder blade, lower edge, posterior iliac crest, upper right edge, posterior iliac crest, upper left edge, medial part between the 7th cervical and the line joining the 2 points of the lower shoulder blades. Sacral spine, medial part between the 2 joining lines of the 2 iliac crests and the 2 lower angles of the shoulder blades. Right popliteal cavity, left popliteal cavity, Once the markers have been positioned, the picture can be obtained and processed immediately. The points revealed in the digital image are assigned in order to carry out the various measurements. 3D Body Spine is able to automatically measure the length of the upper and lower limbs and calculate data that is presently done manually, such as the Cobb's angle and backbone curve. A true and proper revolution in this field. The patient will now have all the values available that, once processed, are presented as numeric data and can be converted into a three-dimensional representation. Each patient has a file card that can be consulted at any given time, together with an electronic case history. In brief, the main features of 3D Bodyspine are: analysis of the backbone curve on the front plane, three-dimensional reconstruction of the vertebral column, shoulder blades and pelvis, measuring the length of lower limbs, the patient's details, photographic data capture and radiographies relative to patients, Cobb's angle calculation, case history of the patient, personalized diagnosis printing, diagnosis and analysis on file, varus and valgus angles. As a result, 3D Bodyspine guarantees a saving of time and resources and assures a precise diagnosis without any risk for the patient. 3D Bodyspine is available with the following configurations: digital acquisition with marker application on the patient, three-dimensional acquisition by means of the Surfacer system, optical light scanning, without marker application, additional 3D total body spine software for three-dimension analysis of the lower limbs. "3D Bodyspine, radiation-free."